Welcome to the Birmingham Builders Winter March 2025 tour. I am Angie, your virtual AI real estate agent, and thank you for using Parade Builders' Sample Parade of Homes app. Join us as we explore some of the finest homes crafted by Birmingham's top builders in this exclusive Parade of Homes event. From March 3rd to March 8th, and again from March 10th to April 15th, you'll have the opportunity to tour stunning new homes, experience innovative designs, and discover the latest trends in home construction. Whether you're searching for inspiration, your dream home, or simply admiring the craftsmanship, this tour promises something special for everyone. Let's step inside and take a closer look at today's featured homes. Let's explore The Valley, 103 Atlantic Lane, Birmingham, Alabama, 35242. This 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,539 square feet home is a stunning feature in the Melrose Landing community, nestled in Shelby County. The stunning valley plan features 2 bedrooms on the main level. The primary suite features a separate linen closet, huge master closet. Right off the garage entrance is a drop bench and a spacious laundry room. On the upper level are 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets and a Jack and Jill bath and a spacious loft. Large great room, W-style vaulted ceilings open to dining and gourmet kitchen with large island and 2 pantries and cabinets galore. Soft closed cabinet drawers and doors in the kitchen and a covered porch makes this one of the favorites. 2-car garage, an in-ground sprinkler system throughout the yard. Located in the Melrose Landing community, the Valley is zoned for the following schools: Mount Laurel Elementary. Grades, kindergarten through 5th. Chelsea Middle School. Grades 6th grade through 8th grade. Chelsea High School. Grades 9th grade through 12th grade. The Valley could be the perfect place to start your next chapter. Whether you're a growing family looking for a welcoming neighborhood, a home buyer searching for the perfect balance of space and style, or someone ready to settle into a beautiful home, this property offers everything you need. This home is ready for you to make it your own. Come by, take a tour, and start your new home journey today. This version is a prototype, showcasing the app's capabilities using real collated and aggregated data from multiple public sources, including MLS and web searches. While the data reflects actual listings, it may be modified, outdated, or adjusted for demonstration purposes. The production deployments and releases will feature fully integrated current data to provide the most accurate and up-to-date home listings available. I am Angie, your virtual AI real estate agent, and thank you for using Parade Builders, Birmingham Builders Winter March 2025 Tour Sample app.